In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive, delete, or restore your files in Hubspot. Managing your files properly keeps your portal clean, makes content easier to find, and helps you avoid accidentally removing something important. In Hubspot, you have three main options for managing files: archiving them, moving them to the trash, and permanently deleting them. I'll walk you through each action step by step and explain when you might want to use each one. Let's start with archiving or deleting files. First, go to the main Hubspot navigation bar at the top of your screen. From there, hover over or click on Library, and then choose Files. This will open your file manager where you see a list of all the files currently stored in your account. In the file list, find the files you want to manage. On the left side of each file, you'll see a small checkbox. Select the checkboxes next to one or more files that you want to archive or delete. Once you've selected them, look toward the top of the table, in the header area above your files. You'll see options appear there, including Move to Trash and Archive. Choose Archive if you want to hide these files from regular use without permanently removing them. This is great for older assets you don't currently need, but might want later. Choose Move to Trash if you're confident you don't need the files anymore, but still want the option to restore them if you change your mind. Now let's look at how to restore deleted files. Again, start from the Hubspot navigation bar, go to Library, and then Files. This brings you back into the File Manager. On the left sidebar, or sometimes along the top as a tab depending on your layout, you'll see a Trash section. Click on Trash to view all files that have been moved there but not permanently deleted yet. Find the file you want to bring back. Hover your mouse over that file and look for the Actions menu that appears. Click Actions, and then select Restore. The file will be moved back to your main file list, and it will be available again wherever it was used. Finally, if you're sure you never want a file again, you can permanently delete it. Go back to Library, then Files, and open the Trash section in the sidebar. Hover over the file you want to remove for good, click Actions, and this time choose Permanently Delete. Confirm the action if prompted. Keep in mind that this step cannot be undone, so use it only when you're absolutely certain you no longer need the file.